Once you've installed and activated Fruit Shake, load the patch by double-clicking or dragging it into the window. We suggest you open Contact's info pane. With it open, you can get information on any of Fruit Shake's controls by hovering over them. Check out any of the 8 patterns by pressing a pink key. The simplest patterns are on the left, getting more animated as you go to the right. Notice that the pattern knob changes as I play different notes. The 2 yellow keys allow you to solo either instrument. You can also page through the shakers with the arrows. You can modify any pattern to fit your needs by moving the sliders to different positions. If you prefer, the menu buttons give you access to a number of ready-made patterns, but in this case, I just want to copy the pattern I just made to the other shaker. The blue-colored natural notes allow you to play individual hits from the shakers. The other 3 keys play performed roles. Back on the pattern page, you can control how fast they start and how quickly they fade. You can also click and drag to select between 5 different variations, with 1 being the softest and 5 being the hardest. The playback options give you a number of ways to sync up with your recording program. These default settings mean that it will only play when triggered from your MIDI keyboard or a recorded MIDI part. If you change it to host, playback will automatically start and stop as you start and stop your sequencer. This can be helpful if you'd like to use Fruit Shake as a metronome, for example. Sync is set to on, which allows the shaker pattern to align with your recording program's playback position. For example, if you stop your program on beat 2 and then start it again, the percussion pattern will also resume playback on beat 2 of its pattern instead of at the beginning. After you've had a play with the default patch, you'll likely want to continue by loading a snapshot. All of Fruit Shake's patches utilize Contact's snapshot system, allowing you to access every patch directly from the interface. If you make modifications to a patch and want to save it, click the disk icon, give it a name, and then click Save. After this, the snapshot menu will give you an option to select from either factory or user patches. We've touched on all the major controls for Fruit Shake, but we are also granting you access to the video manual for Shimmer Shake Strike, as it covers just about every feature in detail, plus offers some usage tips in about 10 minutes. Alright, I hope you enjoy Fruit Shake.